Hello viewer. In this video we will see what are the variables in Python and their usage. In the subsequent videos I will keep on adding more on Python programming. Would request you to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and embark on a journey of continuous learning. So, let's start. In Python, variables are used to store and manage data. They act as containers that hold values, and these values can be of various types, such as integers, floats, strings, etc. Remember that Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to explicitly declare the variable type. Python infers it based on the assigned value. Here are some examples of using variables in Python. Referring my previous video in the I button or visiting my playlist, please open PyCharm code editor and practice along with me. Integer variable. Definition: an integer variable is a type of variable that holds whole numbers without any decimal points. Example: age is equal to 25. Float variable. Definition: a float variable is a type of variable that holds decimal numbers or floating point numbers. Example: height is equal to 5.8. String variable. Definition: a string variable is a type of variable that holds a sequence of characters, typically used to represent text. Example: name is equal to John Doe. Boolean variable. Definition: a Boolean variable is a type of variable that can only have two values, true or false. It is often used for logical operations. Example: is underscore student is equal to true. Multiple assignment. Definition: multiple assignment allows you to assign values to multiple variables in a single line of code. Example: x, y, z is equal to 10, 20, 30. Dynamic typing. Definition: Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare the variable type explicitly. The interpreter infers the type based on the assigned value. Example: variable is equal to 40 to this variable is an integer as implied in Python. Variable is equal to hello, world. This variable is a string as implied in Python. Variable reassignment. Definition: variable reassignment refers to changing the value stored in a variable. Example: count is equal to 5. Count is equal to count plus 1. Input and type conversion. Definition: taking input from the user using the input function and converting the input to a specific type, such as integer using int. Example: user underscore input is equal to input, enter your age. Age is equal to int, user underscore input. These are just basic examples to illustrate the use of variables in Python. Depending on the context and the type of data you're working with, you may use variables in various ways. Remember that Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to explicitly declare the variable type. Python infers it based on the assigned value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us so that we can bring more useful contents on Python programming.